Welcome to today's video, where we dive into one of the most exciting opportunities available right now, making $100 per day using AI tools. The best part? You won't need to invest any large amount of money up front. With the right strategies, you can harness the power of artificial intelligence to build reliable income streams while keeping costs close to zero. Whether you're a beginner or already exploring side hustles, this guide will give you clear, actionable methods to start immediately. Stay tuned, and if you want more practical guides like this, don't forget to subscribe. Number 10. AI content writing. AI-powered writing tools make it simple to create blog posts, product descriptions, and advertisements in just minutes. Many businesses and website owners constantly need written content, but don't always have the time or resources to do it themselves. You can use free or low-cost AI tools to generate engaging articles, refine them with light editing, and sell the content online. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or direct outreach to small businesses are great places to start. By charging per article or offering packages, you can quickly build a steady client base. The best part is you don't need heavy upfront investment. Only a computer and internet connection are enough to get started. With consistent effort, producing multiple articles daily can easily help you reach $100 or more, especially when you manage multiple clients simultaneously. Number 9. Social media captions. Social media is the lifeline of modern businesses, but creating catchy captions every day can be stressful for entrepreneurs. That's where AI caption generators come in. You can use free AI tools to quickly create engaging captions tailored for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok. Businesses love outsourcing this task because it saves them time and keeps their pages active with regular posts. Start by offering caption bundles, like 30 captions for a monthly package, and pitch them to small businesses or influencers. All you need is creativity in selecting the right tone and hashtags. Since captions take only minutes to generate and edit, you can manage multiple clients at once. With just a few paying clients, earning $100 daily becomes achievable without requiring upfront investment, making this a simple and sustainable way to profit with AI. Number 8. YouTube scripts. YouTube is booming, and creators need a constant flow of fresh scripts to keep their channels active. Writing video scripts using AI tools is a profitable service because it saves creators time and ensures high-quality content. With AI, you can generate informative, entertaining, or educational scripts, depending on the niche. Creators are willing to pay per script or on a package basis, making this a recurring income source. Begin by reaching out to small or mid-level YouTubers who can't afford full-time writers but still need help. Deliver polished scripts of 800, 1200 words tailored to their style, and they'll likely come back for more. Since AI speeds up the process, you can produce multiple scripts daily, making $100 or more very realistic. All this requires only internet access and basic editing, with no upfront cost involved. Number 7. Resume and cover letters. Many job seekers struggle to write impressive resumes and cover letters, but AI tools can make the process smooth and professional. You can use AI to generate well-structured resumes, highlight key skills, and craft tailored cover letters for specific jobs. This service is always in demand because people are constantly applying for new opportunities. Start by offering your service on freelancing platforms, LinkedIn, or even through local outreach. Charge per resume or offer packages that include both documents. Since AI handles most of the formatting and writing, you only need to adjust and polish the output before delivering to clients. With a few orders each day, reaching $100 is very possible. It's a low-effort, high-value service that requires no investment beyond your time and access to AI tools. Number 6. AI graphic design. Visual content sells, and businesses always need logos, posters, banners, and thumbnails. AI-powered design tools allow you to create professional-looking graphics without needing advanced design skills. You can generate logos, thumbnails for YouTube creators, or simple marketing posters in minutes. Small businesses and content creators often look for affordable designs, making this a service with consistent demand. Start by showcasing a few sample designs and offering your services on platforms like Fiverr, Canva Marketplace, or social media. Charge per design or provide discounted packages for bulk orders. Since designs take very little time with AI, you can create several in a single day, boosting your daily earnings. This requires almost no upfront investment, just access to design software and offers a steady income stream if you deliver creative, high-quality results. Number 5. Chatbots. Small businesses are increasingly interested in chatbots to provide customer support and streamline communication. With AI tools, setting up simple chatbots has become easier than ever. You can design bots for websites, Facebook pages, or online stores that answer basic customer questions, book appointments, or share product details. Many small businesses lack the time or technical knowledge to do this themselves, so they happily pay for the service. You don't need advanced programming skills. User-friendly AI chatbot platforms make the process accessible. Start by learning a free tool, then offer packages to local businesses, or through freelancing platforms. Charge a setup fee plus extra for maintenance if needed. With a few clients, you can easily earn $100 daily, and since chatbot tools often come with free versions, the upfront cost is minimal or zero. Number 4. Transcription and subtitles. Audio and video transcription is a high-demand service, especially for podcasters, YouTubers, and businesses. With AI transcription tools, you can quickly convert spoken content into text and deliver accurate transcripts or subtitles. This helps creators repurpose their content for blogs, social media posts, or closed captions. Many clients are willing to pay per minute or per hour of audio transcribed, making it a profitable niche. Subtitles are particularly valuable since they increase engagement and accessibility on platforms like YouTube. Start by offering your service on freelancing sites or directly approaching content creators. You can handle multiple projects in a day because AI drastically reduces the time required. With minimal editing, you can deliver professional results and charge competitive rates, making it possible to earn $100 daily without needing any significant upfront investment. Number 3. Product descriptions. E-commerce sellers constantly need product descriptions to make their items stand out. AI tools make it fast and simple to create unique, persuasive descriptions that highlight features and benefits. Sellers on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Shopify often outsource this task to save time. You can offer bulk product description, writing services, and charge per batch or per product. Since AI generates the initial draft quickly, you only need to polish and tailor it for better readability. This service is always in demand because online stores continuously upload new products. A single client could give you dozens of products to describe, making it easy to earn $100 or more daily. You don't need advanced skills or upfront investment, just consistency and the ability to deliver high-quality descriptions on time. Number 2. SEO optimization. Search engine optimization is one of the most valuable services online, and AI tools can make it easier to deliver. By using AI keyword finders, SEO analyzers, and content generators, you can help websites rank higher on Google. Businesses pay well for this service because better rankings mean more traffic and sales. Start small by offering keyword research and on-page optimization, which AI tools can handle quickly. Gradually, you can expand to blog writing or backlink strategies. Charge clients on a per-project basis or monthly retainer, which can quickly add up. Even handling 2 or 3 clients can push your daily earnings above $100. The best part is most AI SEO tools have free versions to get started, so you can provide results with little or no upfront investment. Number 1. Online tutoring support. Education is shifting online, and AI can be your partner in offering tutoring support. You can use AI tools to generate study guides, practice questions, and quizzes for students. Parents and students are willing to pay for additional resources that make learning easier. This doesn't require you to be a full-time teacher. You just need to use AI to prepare personalized material based on the student's subject. You can charge per set of notes, per quiz, or on a subscription basis. With a few regular students, making $100 daily becomes realistic. Start by promoting your services on education groups, freelancing sites, or through word of mouth. Since AI does the heavy lifting in creating structured learning material, your job is mostly editing and packaging, meaning no upfront investment is required. Thanks for watching this video on how to make $100 per day with AI tools while requiring little to no upfront investment. I hope these strategies give you a clear path to start your own AI-powered income journey. Remember, success comes with consistency and smart execution, so don't hesitate to apply what you've learned today. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on AI, business, and passive income, make sure to hit that subscribe button.